the heart of nature's calm, where the tall trees stand like ancient guardians of the earth, there it is. The blue Bugatti Chiron, still poised yet hiding the fury of 1,000 storms beneath its hood. Welcome back to Auto Wheels Vibes, where we don't just show you cars, we bring them to life. Parked on a deserted forest highway, the Bugatti Chiron looks like something straight out of a dream. Or perhaps a myth. The shimmering blue paint reflects the soft green of the trees, and the morning mist clings gently to its sculpted curves. This is a machine born to conquer roads. Sleek LED headlights slice through the quiet wilderness like eyes that never blink. The carbon fiber elements blend into nature like armor forged for both beauty and war. The finely sculpted air ducts, the low-slung aggressive stance, and the wide tires gripping the ground like claws. Everything about the Chiron says performance and perfection. Pop the hood, and your heart skips a beat. Nestled within is a W16 quad-turbocharged engine, 8 liters of pure engineering madness, 2,500 horsepower. The cabin is a cockpit wrapped in leather and carbon fiber. Blue accents flow seamlessly across the dash. The steering wheel feels sculpted for command. And the center console? It's a minimalist masterpiece. Less buttons, more beauty. From inside, the windshield becomes a canvas, painting a picture of tall trees, winding asphalt, and sunlight piercing through the canopy. Every inch of the Bugatti Chiron screams handcrafted excellence. Yet here, surrounded by nature, it doesn't look out of place. It looks royal. And then, the exhaust note echoes into the woods, deep, thunderous, commanding. Birds scatter. The forest listens. The Bugatti Chiron in blue isn't just a supercar, it's a statement. Advanced engineering meets nature's raw beauty. A combination that doesn't shout, it roars in silence.